My old fridge door shelf was a mess. The plastic had cracked, and it was a sharp hazard. I needed a replacement. This Garsoo W11190821 W10805889 door shelf bin was a perfect match. It fits my Whirlpool WRT518SZFM00 model. It's also compatible with other models. Amana refrigerators can also use it. It's a great replacement part. I was worried it wouldn't fit, but it snapped right in. The installation was so simple. No tools were needed. I was so relieved. The plastic is thick. It feels strong and durable. I think it will last a long time. The shelf bin is clear. It lets light through. This makes finding things easy. It's a lifesaver for my family. This Garsoo WRT518SZFM00 door bin replacement is a solid choice. It's a worthwhile investment. This replacement shelf bin is a perfect fit. It's like a puzzle piece. It went into place smoothly. Furthermore, it feels much sturdier. It's a huge upgrade from my old one. My old shelf was a sad, cracked soldier. This new one is a tough warrior. It holds heavy bottles easily. I put milk and juice there. It doesn't sag. It doesn't flex. This gives me peace of mind. I don't worry about spills anymore. I don't worry about breakage. Moreover, the dimensions are just right. It's not too tight. It's not too loose. It's a snug fit. It holds everything securely. Consequently, my fridge is more organized. My family loves the new shelf. It makes a big difference. This Garsoo WRT518SZFM00 door bin replacement is a top-notch product. I highly recommend it to anyone. Overall, this is a fantastic product. Because it's so well made. It's a great value. It saved me from buying a new fridge. I thought my fridge was doomed. This shelf bin gave it new life. It's a simple fix, but it has a huge impact. In addition, the part numbers matched perfectly. W10805890, 4,547,029, AP6,286,731. PS 12,348,848 are all compatible. The listing was very clear. I felt confident about my purchase. My fridge door is now complete. It's a team player again. It feels whole. It feels new. Therefore, my kitchen feels better. My stress is gone. This Garsoo WRT518SZFM00 door bin replacement is an excellent solution. It's a must-have for anyone. It's a simple, effective repair. Pros: very durable, better than the original shelf, replaces my original shelf perfectly. Functionality is more important, and it works. Excellent item, excellent seller, perfect replacement for broken fridge shelf. Perfect fit, shocked at the quality, replaces my original shelf. Cons: the color is different, quality may vary, may not fit all models. Features: product type, door shelf bin, compatibility, Whirlpool, Amana, fits model, WRT518SZFM00, WRT518SZFM02 replacement for W10805890, 4,547,029 replaces AP6,286,731. PS 12,348,848 function. Door bin. Purpose: refrigerator part. Material: not specified. The Garsoo W11190821 door shelf bin is a replacement part for Whirlpool and Amana refrigerators. It is compatible with specific models like the WRT518SZFM00 and WRT518SZFM02. This bin replaces several different part numbers, including W10805890, 4,547,029. AP 6,286,731. And PS 12,348,848. Its purpose is to serve as a door bin for your refrigerator. This product is a highly rated replacement door shelf bin, compatible with many refrigerator models from brands like Whirlpool and Amana. Customers praise its durability, noting that it's a perfect replacement for the original part and often better quality. The bin is easy to install and fits perfectly in the specified models, though some customers have observed slight variations in color. While the product is highly functional, it's important to remember that quality may vary slightly, and it might not fit every refrigerator model.